Welcome to the United Arab Emirates, a vibrant blend of the old and the new, ready to captivate every traveler. It's a world where sun-soaked skies meet glittering skylines and modernity mingles with tradition. Today we're taking you on a whirlwind tour of the top 5 cities in this mesmerizing country. First, where the skyline graced with the Burj Khalifa leaves everyone in awe. Following close by, the culture-rich capital, Abu Dhabi, a treasure trove of history and home to the Sheikh Zayed Grand Mosque. Third on list, Sharjah, known as the arts capital of UAE, offering a for lovers of culture and creativity. Fourth, we journey to Ajman, the smallest emirate known for its dreamy beaches and grand museums. Finally, we venture to Ras Al Khaimah, a paradise for adventure enthusiasts, with its rugged mountains and exhilarating outdoor activities. So, what cities have you been to in the UAE? Let us know in the comments. And be sure to subscribe and turn on the bell notification so you never miss an update.